Step by step guide to Odoo project management. So we will go in project first. So this is a project dashboard. This is a configuration setting. So these are settings, whichever we want, we can activate them. And just save it. So now we will go in projects. We create a new project. Let's say bill of John. Now just create project, write some task, email ID, so there is task, we will add stage like layout to our task. There are various layout that we can select. Select whichever you want according to the project. Use that. And add a new task. We can just change the setting as the stage gate. These are various stages. So we can see reporting. It shows pie chart, histograms and that all.